हम लाते हैं अनलिमिटेड एंटरटेनमेंट सिर्फ YouTube पर। अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकॉन को क्लिक करके हमारी लेटेस्ट वीडियोस के बारे में अपडेट जानें। सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और हम आपको लिए चलेंगे आपकी फेवरेट वीडियो की तरफ।
In the heart of Sindh, there lies an institute, Qaid-e-Awam University of Engineering, Science and Technology, Nawabshash, achieving the goals of excellence in education and research since 1996 as an independent university. Utilizing most scientific tools and laboratories, it offers students a conducive environment for learning and qualified teaching faculty. Besides classroom teaching, students are encouraged more towards improving their practical skills. Quest offers different degree programs at bachelor's, master's and PhD in various disciplines of engineering, science and technology.
Here students have passions to work for community. We are working for blood donation and environmental changes.
I must appreciate our students that they are playing their active role. They understand they are now the owner of this university. They feel that they are the owner of the university, so they are not compromising on the quality of the education.
Quest gives you an amazing life-changing experience. When I see myself as a person who had not joined this university, and when I see myself as now, I find an incredible change in myself.
When I am in the darkness, I think of light, and Quest, you provided me that light. We love you, Quest.
Here you have a chance to grab knowledge from many foreign qualified professors.
Central Library is a state-of-the-art in architecture and design, where students interact and exchange knowledge. Central Library has book bank section, HSC National Digital Library Program, e-book repository and IT facility.
Life at Quest is awesome.
Qaid University is producing quality graduates since many years. They are working in different organizations, well-reputed international and national organizations of Pakistan.
Students have all modern facilities of computer and engineering labs where students work on to transform their theoretical learning into a practical demonstration, which prepares them for future industries and workplace.
We have signed many MOUs with the different countries like USA, UK, Malaysia, China, Thailand, with the renowned universities. And it is not only the signing of the MOU, but they are functional, they are operational. Our faculty member, our students, they are being exchanged, they are visiting those counterpart universities, and they are playing their active role.
In Quest, students are provided dormitory consisting 11 residential units in the campus premises and a beautiful mosque to offer prayers.
The healthy and encouraging atmosphere and the efforts of each and every individual at this place, be it the students, the teachers or the staff, for the betterment of this institution.
Side of this, we conduct many professional development courses which help our students to get their professional qualities so they can get easily job in the market.
Come on, let's play.
For extracurricular activities, sports, Quest has football ground and badminton, other indoor and outdoor facilities. Diversity is the unity of Quest.